The Glenwood Orthopedic Center at Valley View Hospital has 4 orthopedic surgeons on staff, 2 PAs. They provide personalized care and the latest treatment options. Here to tell us all about it is orthopedic surgeon Dr. Christopher George. Good morning, Dr. George.
Good morning, Claire. Thanks for having us.
Thanks for being here, and let's talk about some of these technological advances that you guys have now included over at Glenwood Orthopedic Center.
Sure. One of the most exciting things that I think that we've just added into our treatment treatment offerings is Makoplasty, which is a robotic-assisted system for total joint replacements. Right now, we use it it's available for hip replacements, knee replacements, and partial knee replacements. It's a system that allows us to really personalize the joint replacement by providing a preoperative template that's based off of a 3D model of the patient's actual anatomy that we get from a CT scan, that then we were able to template and basically do the surgery before the patient even comes in the operating room to know right where we want to put the components at the time of surgery. While we're in the OR, we can even more fine-tune that, balancing soft tissue, adjusting in 1 millimeter increments exactly where we want to put the implant. And so that really allows us to personalize and most precisely recreate the patient's normal anatomy, which is then going to give them the optimal outcome for the long term in terms of their joint replacement and functioning at the highest level.
Who is a candidate for this kind of surgery?
Anybody that's a candidate for a joint replacement, so someone that has arthritis, again, this system is specifically for hip and knee arthritis, is a candidate for this. There's not someone that is a better or worse match for this. In fact, I think it even increases the availability of making it as perfect as possible for each individual patient, even those patients that may have had a previous surgery, previous injury. This allows us to precisely decide where we're going to put the instrument. So anybody with arthritis is a perfect candidate for this.
And how are you finding this affecting outcomes and recovery time?
I do think it improves the outcome. People have a little less pain. We're working very precisely in terms of where we're making cuts and preparing the bone before putting implants in. So a little less disruption to the soft tissue, which is going to be less pain immediately after surgery and a quicker return back to activity. It's still a big surgery, it's a big recovery, but all across the board in orthopedic surgery, joint replacements are becoming more and more of a quicker recovery and getting people back to the activities that they want to be doing. And this just helps that process.
In addition to joint replacement, I understand you also have a robust sports medicine program.
Exactly. We at Gondola Orthopedic Center, myself and my partners cover the whole range from lower extremity all the way up to upper extremity and hand surgery in terms of, again, personalizing care to the exact patient and their injury. As in any mountain community, we have lots of active patients. We certainly don't ever wish for people to get hurt, but our goal is to get people back doing the stuff that they want to be doing as quickly as possible. And that includes sports medicine, where we do advanced procedures and reconstruction in all joints of the body, including knee reconstruction, hip and shoulder reconstruction, in addition to joint replacements.
In addition to the Glenwood facility, where else do you see patients?
Certainly, we have our main office is at Valley View Hospital. We see patients in an office in Eagle at the Eagle Care Center, as well as an office in Basalt. So we're kind of trying to spread throughout the valley and on both sides of the canyon to provide access to us wherever people need us.
Great talking with you this morning.
Thanks so much. Appreciate it.
That's the Glenwood Orthopedic Center at Valley View Hospital. Stay tuned. We've got more Good Morning Vail coming your way.